Everybody, it's the weekend again, so we're gonna get to work on the 57. We're gonna try to get the fuel from the fuel tank up to the carburetor. We're gonna get that trim off that quarter panel so we can work on that. Test out the water pump and fill it full of water. And we're gonna drive this thing this weekend, so let's get busy. Get the trim off. It came off pretty easy. A lot of the ones that just kind of are rusted and they just broke right off. Some of them pulled out. But this is a better look at this damage here. So we hooked up the fuel line and I poured a little bit of gas in there. I started cranking on a little bit, but then it wasn't pulling. So and then I got to looking. The fuel tank is leaking. So it was a long shot, and so we'll get online. I think I saw on Rock Auto they were like, I can't remember how much they were, but they weren't that expensive. And so we'll order up a new fuel tank for this, which is probably better in the long run because then we don't have to worry about it, and everything's brand new and clean, and so we'll be happy with that. We just got to pull out the old one. But for now, what I did is, let me bring you around here. All right, I went ahead and hooked the hose up here to the fuel pump and ran a little external tank right here, got it right there. I think that's going to work. And until we get the fuel tank in, the new one. So I think that'll work. All right, we got her to start. Seems like she's pulling fuel from the fuel pump. Had a little problem with that choke. It was choking too much. So it's got that heat spring in there. We'll see if that open that choke up. If not, we'll just manually open it up. Put a new donut on there. Still leaking. Piece of crap. Underneath there, I saw it looked like it got bent, and the muffler bolts are bent over, like they were, got hit something or bottomed out on something. So the pipe's probably just all tweaked and bent, but that's coming off. It's idling pretty good though. Better hangers for that. Color light. Cold water, so hopefully it's just stay cool. I don't know what that radiator is going to do, but yep, freeze plug's leaking. All right, we got the new freeze plug in there. Well, the little rubber thing. I have one laying around here, so we just stuck that in there for now. Like I said, it's just temporary. Anyways, so I got filled back full of water, and let's see if she fires up. Really like the whole ordeal. I'm hoping that radiator's good, but we'll see. But I was noticing, I don't know if it's because there's no power. I mean, the fuel gauge moves when you turn it on, the oil light comes on, but the temperature gauge didn't move at all. So I'm gonna have to get up underneath the dash there and see about the power issues here. And I mean, there's like one blinker on the side that's got crushed, but there's no lights, no nothing. So we'll have to go through the wiring, but cool. All right, let's get her get really hot now and see what happens. Anyways, seems to be holding water. Cool. All right, we'll let her heat up and not running too bad. Stupid exhaust leak. I don't know if that's a knock or not, or if something's just rattling. Because you come on this side, oh, you can still kind of hear it. Oh, I don't care. But anyways, I have this. It's a crate motor, 350, about 400 horsepower with the turbo 350 on there. I was going to put it in the Camaro because I mean it's all ready to go, transmission on there and everything. But I bet you it would fit right there. We'll see. I have a couple other motors to that I could possibly maybe use, but yeah, we'll ponder on that in a little while. Anyways, she seems to be on water. The temperature gauge doesn't work. I'll have to see if it's getting power or not. I don't know if my stupid thing is working or not. 150. Alrighty. Let's finally do this. if it's water temperature or anything on here. So we'll just go up the street and we'll go back and not playing that steering. Slow her down, slow her down. So we're back under the carport, all parked, and back where we started. I would consider that a successful first drive. I mean, she's far from roadworthy. There's a lot of play in the steering wheel. Transmission shifted really good, so and it seemed to run and stay cool the whole time. Hopefully everybody likes what they're seeing so far, and I can earn some subscriptions. And so I really appreciate all the support from everybody that watches the channel. And we're going to be doing a lot more videos on this car and some other cars. And leave a comment and let me know what you think we should do and what we could do better. So appreciate everybody watching, and we'll catch you next time. Thanks.